Welcome back guys to Tech Click Zone. Today, I will tell you about top kitchen gadgets, which are very useful in daily life, make kitchen work easier. Without wasting time, let's start with our first product. Popcorn maker works on hot air technology which doesn't use oil to prepare the popcorn. This helps to make it fat-free snacks for your family. Powerful 200-watt motor ensures fresh batch in 2 to 3 minutes with transparent lid for easy monitoring. You can add butter, salt, caramel or seasoning to make your popcorn tastier and better. It also has the compact and stylish design with less noise which makes it handy when one travels. Let it be a Saturday night movie plan or a lonely Sunday afternoon movie date with yourself. Popcorns and movies are inseparable. Now, make yourself fluffy and tasty popcorns with this popcorn maker. Comes with a non-stick chamber, making your snack oil less and healthy. If using premium popcorn, the yield may sometimes be greater than stated above. Customize your snack. Melted butter and salt makes it a traditional taste. Customize it the way you want, healthy or decadent. It's up to you, adding your favorite flavor. Anti-slip base helps unit not to move while it's working. Easy to use and clean. Let's move to link in description. Second product, vegetable fruit peeler with container. Smart stainless steel peeler with container, convenient kitchenware. This potato peeler has a non-slip handle with a hole that can be hung. It does not take much space at all. Very convenient food peeler for potato, tomato, orange, garlic, apple, citrus, etc. veggie and fruits. Convenient and easy to use. Different from the traditional peeler, this vegetable peeler brings its own peel trash can, so that your kitchen counter is free from mess, easy to organize and clean. After peeling the peel, throw away the peel of the storage bucket and clean it with water. No mess, designed with a container for conveniently collecting the food waste without mess. Easy to clean, just open the lid, discard the food waste and wash with dishwasher. Excellent blade. The excellent and balanced double-sided blade design allows you to cut only a thin layer of the fruit surface when peeling, without causing waste. The handle of peelers for kitchen provides a comfortable and non-slip grip even when wet. The slim figure is easy to carry, free from mess, easy to use. Link in description. Third product, ThawClaw is an innovative device that help you defrost frozen meat fast, safe and easy. It's a 100% safer alternative to the not-so-safe microwave. Now you can safely speed up the process of thawing frozen food using this underwater device. No more ruining food and taking dangerous bacteria chances using the microwave or by sitting it out all day. It's easy to use. Simply attach the plastic ThawClaw to your sink using its strong suction cup. Fill the sink with water, then put the frozen food under the arms of the claw. Your frozen food will be thawed 7x faster and 100% safer. Now you can safely thaw all of your favorite meats in under 20 minutes. Thaws frozen food safe, fast and easy. Great for all meats and seafood. Prevents package floating. Easy to use and 100% safe. Fits all sink types. Stores in any standard size kitchen drawer. No assembly required. Fourth product, automatic blender stir 3-speeder. Whisk Crazy egg beaters hands-free pot stirrer. Use as a tool to prepare sauces. With Stir Crazy, all kinds of custard, sauces and soups can be automatically stirred. Legs are dishwasher safe. Battery unit should be washed by hand. With 3 different speeds for your needs. Change speed simply by pressing the top. Safe for non-stick cookware, easy to install and use. Makes an ideal novelty idea. Moving towards fifth product, cheese cutter, for cheese blocks of all sizes, perfect slice. Every time effortlessly choose between a wire, blade or grater handle, so regardless of cheese you please, it's got you covered. Clean and safe. All components are dishwasher safe. The cheese wire and cheese blade provide a safe alternative to the dangerous cheese knife. The guillotine-style guides not only ensure you get a perfect, even slice every time, they allow you to do it effortlessly like you are slicing through butter. No more single-use plastic wrap, oversized storage containers and plastic bags cluttering up your fridge. The cheese chopper's airtight seal keeps your cheese fresh for an unbelievable long time. Save money, eat better. The cheese chopper lets you save money by taking advantage of higher quality blocks of cheese without sacrificing convenience or quality. Store-bought, pre-shredded or grated cheeses can cost twice as much and are often coated with harmful chemicals or anti-caking agents. Long live you and long live the cheese. Clean and safe. Link in description. Our sixth product, AnyTongs instantly turns your flatware into versatile kitchen tongs. Why have multiple clunky tongs when you can simply use the forks and spoons you already have? Go ahead and turn those hearty meats, stir some noodles, and serve that delicious salad. You'll always have tongs ready when you need them with AnyTongs. Super strong, look great with flatware, small footprint, perfect to use, beautifully engineered to feel like an extension of your hands, ready to grab, whisk, flip, decorate or serve your food. Because of AnyTongs to turn almost any utensils into a pair of one-handed tongs. For everything from whipping cream for an old-fashioned creamy lemon pie, picking out tofu cubes, flipping burgers, tossing pasta and many other surprising ways. Link in description. Moving towards 7th product, vegetable dicer chopper 5-in-1 multifunction slicer. Multifunction can be vegetable cutter, fruit cutter, slicer, column cutter, egg cutter, potato cutter, dicer cutter, multi-cutter, crusher etc. The vegetable cutter can free up your kitchen space, also can be carried in outdoor cooking. You can quickly cut the fruit into small pieces. For consumption, save time. Dishwasher safe, also rinsed off direct. The quick fruit dicer made of durable, high-quality stainless steel and plastic. Perfect as a gift for cooking lover, friends and mom in the kitchen cooking holiday, Xmas, New Year dinner party, outdoor indoor party cooking. He extra sharp blades are reinforced for fast, consistent results every time. Moving toward to second last product, herb scissors set, safe and high quality materials. Made of food grade stainless steel. 0.5 sharp blades are strong with 3 rivets, durable and safe. There is only one pair of scissors, but 5 pairs of blades are installed to work at the same time, which is easier and more effective than single-edged scissors. The sharp blade cuts food quickly, rather than crushing or messing it up. Everyday kitchen cutting and chopping chores can be finished quickly with this scissors. Scissor can be gripped comfortably with silicone-lined handles. Blades are rust-free and easily cleanable with the cleaning tool provided. There is only one pair of scissors, but 5 pairs of blades are installed to work at the same time, which is easier and more effective than single-edged scissors. The sharp blade cuts food quickly, rather than crushing or messing it up. Everyday kitchen cutting and chopping chores can be finished quickly with this scissors. Our final product, Lotus Foldable Steamer, a kitchen staple, recreated the traditional steamer, so that it's now even more practical and convenient. The Lotus Steamer features the classic steamer basket design, but with self-adjusting sides to fit most pans. Fabricated from heat-resistant polypropylene and silicone, it has feet and an innovative silicone finger guard to keep your fingers from being burned. Non-stick cookware compatible, heat-resistant, and dishwasher safe. You'll love having this steamer in your kitchen. Steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when either boiling or microwaving food. The foldable steamer basket can be used to steam veggies, seafood, eggs, meats, desserts, baby food and much more. Link in description. Thank you for watching. I will be bringing more video on gadgets. Keep watching TechClick Zone. Keep supporting, like, subscribe and comment.